Whoa, 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 you can't look at it without watching the video first on how I got it. So I was on Craigslist. Guy wants $800. I offer $400. He says yes. We go get it. Video starts on our way back. So I bought something. This is a 1984 Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser. Big old station wagon. I just had to have it. Let's get home and I'll show you some more about it. Yeah, that happened too. So. Second stop. Watch this. It's near perfect inside. You got, I don't know how to lift that up exactly. I have to do that when I get home, but that's the rear facing seat. The inside is perfect. They said they put a new headliner and it's sagging right here, but I mean, it's not bad. For $400, you really can't beat that. What else we got in here? I think you have to have a key. Sat since 2007. So 11 years. Let's go at the front. Okay, I figured out the back seat. There's a little lever right here, just hiding. You pull it, see that? Where's it at? Whoa, what did I do? Oh, so it locks, and then when you pull it again, it unlocks. Okay, this thing just got really cool. And also, the lock kind of fell out of this thing, but that's okay. That's okay, we'll fix that. But yeah, look how immaculate the interior is. It's basically spotless. I can't believe how nice this thing is. I've always wanted a station wagon that had a rear-facing bench seat. Like, look at how clean all this is. This is just so cool how nice it is. It's showing, what does it say? 69,770 miles. Could be rolled over, could be 169,000, I don't know. But I mean, all this is still here. Let me focus here. This obviously is not factory, the nice cassette player here. But we've got rear defrosters, so that's nice. Automatic, overdrive. It's just really nice. I'm really just excited about how nice this thing is. The only bad spot, that one spot in the seat, but that's okay. We can really enjoy this thing. Just look at the carpet though. These big 80s cars really just are underappreciated, you know, because they just made so many of them, and they're just cheap now, and you can find these things anywhere. But look at that. It had some plastic liner that was shedding or whatever, and it just kind of crumbled in it. But I'm going to vacuum all that out. It's going to look good. But look, you can fit, what, 6 people in here? More? 6 legally, but you can throw in a bunch of people in these things. The dash is spotless. No cracks from the sun because it sat under a carport. I didn't video anything there because I didn't want to weird the people out or anything, but you know, glove box there. All sorts of really, really cool stuff in here. So, as you can tell, I'm really excited about this thing. Good gracious. Those things are huge. So we threw a hot battery in it, and we took some carburetor cleaner and hit the linkage and everything just to make sure everything was freed up. So we put the battery in it, and you'll see me actually turn the key, and the carburetor cleaner starts the thing. After that, we decided let's go ahead and drain all the old gas out. We set up an electric fuel pump that I'll show you here in a second, and drained roughly 12 to 15 gallons of old gas out. Ran some 87 through it to clear it out, and then once the gas started turning clear, filled it up with 93, fired it up, and I drove it. Got 7 gallons worth of 93. Gonna fill it up. We emptied out the what was in the tank, and then ran some 87 in it to clear it out, and it actually started pumping clear gas. So we're gonna see if it'll start and run. Noisy. We have some oil pressure there. Temperature hasn't come up yet. It says it's charging. Fuel tank is pretty much past. The fan kicked on, but it needs some Freon in it. Let me just show you again, it actually covered me. You can hear that. Junk's flying out of it. It kicked on. We are actually officially driving. It needs spark plugs, so it's got a little bit of a miss, but we are on the road. Look at that. High beams work. This is pretty cool. $400 right here, all in this station wagon. See, the wipers work. How do you even work them? Oh boy, I can't see. Oh, oh, not very good, but they work. Oh, they're good. Okay, stop. Okay, stop it. I can't make it stop. Okay, calm down. Stop it. And the thing runs and drives. And I mean, for $400, I bought a running and driving car that sat for 11 years. Put some tires on it, and that's it. That's all I've done. Put some good gas, hot battery, tires. $400 on Craigslist. Anybody could have done what I just did. So a lot of people ask me, how do I find the cars that I find? I just went through Craigslist. That's all I did. I was just searching. I saw, hey, cool looking station wagon. Let's check it out. Next thing you know, brought it home. So this is something that Cadillac also did on their cars. But watch this. That's your parking lights, headlights, high beams. See that blue light up? The middle one's a little bit dim, but it comes on, I promise. Let me close it. And there you go. And then also, whenever you have this one on, you have your turn signal come on. And it also has this sweet little light that comes on whenever you hit the turn signal. How cool is that, though? So that wraps up my adventure buying a $400 car off Craigslist and what you can even do on your own. So definitely be on the lookout for more videos on this car. I think it's going to be pretty fun just enjoying it and fixing some little things on it. I'll do some videos on changing the brakes, doing the oil change, spark plugs and everything. So thank you guys for watching. Let's go check out some stuff that some viewers sent me in the mail. So our first piece of mail comes from John Baker, who is Yellow Corrado on Instagram. He sent me this, got my name on it, Mopar County. How awesome is that? Thank you big time, John Baker. His Instagram is going to be right there. I want him right here. So thanks for sending that in. teamlogo.com, and it's made in the USA. So check them out. They make really cool products. They made this. Now this one comes from Jamie Jones. You guys have heard from him before. He's the one who gave me the intake. He gave me a set of wheels. He gave me another set of wheels. He gave me a radiator. Just an all-around awesome dude. He's always watching the videos. He's a huge fan. But he got these made for me. McCool Speed Shop made me 4 of them. He is an awesome guy. Definitely a cool dude. He has always been just offering help for me, and I couldn't ask for a better friend. So thank you so much, Jamie. You're awesome. Probably should put a sticker on this car. What do you guys think? I think we should. Now this one comes from John G. He didn't put his last name in the email, so sorry about that, John, but I know him as John G. He approached me on email and he said, hey, can I buy you a taillight for your Charger because it has a hole in it? And I'm like, okay. And look, he bought me a left taillight for the Charger because mine has a hole in it right around in this area. If you've watched the first video on the Charger, you know that I point out that it had a taillight that was busted, and the dude buys me a taillight. How cool is that, guys? I mean, he bought me a taillight for my car. I could not even expect something so cool of a gesture though. Like, John is awesome. He's a great guy. I don't even know the dude, but I can tell he's got to be a really awesome dude. He didn't even want me to give him a shout out or anything. He just wanted to buy me a taillight. So, really cool dude. Really thankful for what he just sent me. Thankful for everything that I get here. So hopefully all of you have at least heard of Junkyard Diggs. I mentioned him in the live stream. He's got a lot of cool videos. He did the Fiat. You guys all have probably seen that one by now. But check out what he sent me. An official Junkyard Diggs t-shirt. Really awesome. And stickers to go with it. That's going to go in the collection. I think we might have to put one on this car right here. So I want to give a big shout out to Kevin over at Junkyard Diggs. He's an awesome guy. Definitely go subscribe to his channel. If you haven't yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. We're going to try and get him to 100,000 subscribers. So definitely check out what he's got going on, because I've seen some of his videos that he's about to publish and they are really cool. So definitely check him out. Thanks, Kevin. So if you want to send me something like these guys did, go ahead and go down to the description below. My P.O. box will be in it. Thank you guys for watching this, and thank you guys for sending me all that stuff. Definitely stay tuned for more videos on this car. If you liked the video, leave a like down below. If you have any questions for me, leave a comment. Send me an email with your projects and your question, guys. Hope to see you in the next video with the Oldsmobile. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next one.